Our bull bull is over 1.5 million. Our base is in the $650,000 range, so about tenfold from here by 2030.
Crypto fam, welcome back to the channel. Cathie Wood telling you where she sees Bitcoin going by 2030. Let me know in the comment section below, do you believe with her price prediction from $650,000 all the way up to 1.5 million within 6 years? Let me know what you guys think about that in the comment section below. But in today's video, we'll be getting into how Cathie thinks Bitcoin will get there. This is a shorter clip in today's video, but a lot of great information in this clip of Cathie Wood here today. So make sure to leave all your thoughts in the comment section below. And if you guys are interested, make sure to check out the Bitcoin Bros Patreon. We keep you guys up to date with our exclusive content on the current state of the market for Bitcoin and crypto. So make sure to check that out as well. Let's go ahead and jump into this Cathie Wood clip here.
Yeah, I think, so we have 4 people at ARC who are working on crypto generally, one dedicated to Bitcoin on-chain analytics. And judging by those, we believe, halfway through this bull market. And halfway doesn't mean we're halfway through the price increase, because, you know, at the end of a bull market, prices tend to go parabolic. So we have no idea where that, but we feel very strongly, just based on-chain analytics, looking at them versus the short 10-year history, a little bit more than that history, that we're halfway through the bull market. What's very interesting, since the ETFs were launched in January, many people think, all right, the boom, and you know, we've had a very nice showing, David versus Goliath. We're in the fight, but not one major what we call them wirehouses, like Morgan Stanley, UBS, Wells Fargo, Bank of America, Merrill Lynch, not one has put Bitcoin on its platform yet, a Bitcoin ETF. They're all doing their due diligence. And I think what's going to happen is within the next few months, one will, and it may be not the big ones, it may be an independent RIA like LPL. They tend to move a little more quickly. Once you get one with a spot Bitcoin ETF on its platform, the others will fall in line pretty quickly. Yeah. Yes, 2030. So our bull bull is over 1.5 million. Our base is in the $650,000 range, so about tenfold from here by 2030. And there are 3 big building blocks. Institutional is one, and I would put it sounds like retail distribution, but these are institutional decision makers at B of A, Merrill Lynch, and so forth. So that's one. The second is, this is a replacement for gold. So we assume that it's going to subsume 50% of the gold, what would be the gold market, especially as younger people are looking to diversify. And then it is an insurance policy. In emerging markets, you know, I just visited El Salvador and had the pleasure of meeting the top officials there, and they are blazing a trail, making it legal tender, and, you know, giving their populations or showing the way for other countries. President Bukele is going after two big ideas, and we're talking about them: AI and Bitcoin. And my mentor and friend, Art Laffer, who joined me on this trip, I think is going to be working with that government. It's only a $30 billion economy. And they're being very progressive. They're putting in tax policies that are going to encourage innovation. So I think that's a very big idea. Think about that. El Salvador, the entire country, 30 billion. Yeah. Argentina is moving in this direction. We've talked to the economics ministers there. They're not ready to go the Bitcoin route in the way that President Bukele is, but they're moving in that direction. They're thinking about it. And then the other insurance policy is for anyone, and in high net worth individuals, but anyone, as a protection against confiscation of wealth, whether that's inflation or outright confiscation because of corruption. Bitcoin really got into the hands of 50 to 60 million Americans and has become an election year issue. And for many voters, it is the election issue. And that is why for the Financial Innovation Technology Act of the 21st century, so FIT 21, was able to attract 76 Democrats. I think when the Republicans basically turned this into an election year issue, whether accepting campaign donations in crypto or saying that they would protect the right for self-custody, that's a big one. That's a very big one for Bitcoin. And we're very much aligned, even though we have an ETF and that could be a centralization vector. We think both are true. Self-custody for the early adopters and those who learn more about the ecosystem, but then just getting people into understanding what this is, how powerful this movement is. That is the role of a spot Bitcoin ETF, because once you own a spot Bitcoin ETF, you want to learn even more about it.
Yeah.
You'll want to understand the risk profile, the return profile.